All right, 6th grade, the last thing in chapter 6 is measures of time. We are on page 322. Elapsed time, that's our vocabulary word, and elapsed time is on 323. That is the amount of time that is between the beginning and the end of an event. How much time it takes for something to happen. You might say, how long is the movie going to last? It takes 2.5 hours. That's the elapsed time. So we just think the number of hours that pass. All right? So let's take a look at some of these. Example 1, Tour de France. Lance Armstrong won the 2003 Tour de France. His total time over the course of the 3-week event was 83 hours, 41 minutes, and 12 seconds. Hamar Zabula's, time was 6 minutes and 51 seconds greater. What was Hamar's time? So what we need to do is add those times together. So we're going to line up what we know, 83 hours, 41 minutes, 12 seconds. And to it, he was 6 minutes and 51 seconds greater. So we're going to add to it. So we're going to add seconds to seconds. That's 63 seconds. That's 47 minutes. And we don't have any hours to add to it. We need to, just like in fractions, we need to simplify. 60 seconds equals a minute. So we can take 60 out of here, leaving 3 seconds, and put it over here in the minutes. So 83 hours, 48 minutes, and 3 seconds for Hamar. Let's see how they did it. They lined them up just like we did, and then they converted that 63 seconds over and got the same answer. There it is. Now subtracting, same thing in this case. Check this out. We have to subtract this problem in example number 2, but we can't take 17 minus 42. The top number always has to be bigger. So we're going to come over here and borrow an hour, which is make that 10. Now remember, an hour has 60 minutes, so we're going to add to this 60. So it's going to become 77 since we borrowed a whole hour. Now I can subtract. That would be 35 minutes, and 10 minus 8 is 2. And make sure you keep your labels with them. So that'd be 2 hours, 35 minutes. And they're doing the same thing, and this is just renaming with time. So let's add these. We got 66 seconds here, right? 26 plus 40 is 66, and 4 minutes. Now this isn't simplified because it takes 60 seconds to make a minute, so 60, we're going to take it out of there. It's going to become 5 minutes and 6 seconds. We're still adding, let's see, 1, so 41 seconds. 14, carry the 1, 4, 5, 6, that's 74 minutes, 7 hours. Well, I don't have enough seconds to make a minute. Do I have enough minutes to make an hour? Yep, it takes 60 minutes. So we got 8 hours. Take 60 away from 74 would be 14 minutes and 41 seconds. So number 3, we're subtracting. I can't take 16 from 18, so I borrow from 4 minutes. I'm borrowing a whole minute that has 60 seconds in it. So 60 plus 16 is 76. Now I can subtract. That would be 58 seconds and 1 minute. 1 minute, 58 seconds. There we go. 4, let's see. I can't subtract. 31 minutes. So I got to add 60 seconds onto this. That'd be 87 seconds. That's 42 seconds, 30 minutes, 2 hours. 2 hours, 30 minutes, 42 seconds. So winter solstice. So winter solstice occurs on the day with the least amount of daylight. I think it's in December sometime. Suppose that on this day, the sun rises at 7:15 a.m. and sets at 4:22 p.m. How long does the day last? Now, I don't know. It's probably got some fancy way to do this. But I just start counting off 7:15 a.m. I go, okay, 8:15, 9:15, 10:15, 11:15, 12:15, 1:15, 2:15, 3:15, 4:15. And I count up all those hours. Okay? So by counting up all those hours, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours to 4:15. And I need to go to 4:22. So 15 to 22 is 7 more minutes. And then I'm done. And this is them, they're just counting it like kind of like I was doing, but I just do it by the hours and then add up the minutes. And what did we get? 9 hours. Can't remember. Yep, 9 hours and 7 minutes. Let's see what they get. They kind of do it a long way. Where's the answer? There, 9 hours, 7 minutes. I think they make it a little hard. All right, we got 6 a.m. Find the elapsed time, 6 a.m. You guys, all I do is this. I count it. Ready? 6 a.m. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm counting on my fingers. I got 5 fingers, so it is 5 hours. That's what I got when I counted it. Let's see what happens. That's it. So 7:30 I go 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. Let me make a mark every time I have an hour here. I go 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. That's 4 hours till 11:30 and 15 minutes. 4 hours, 15 minutes. There we go. So 11:45 I go 12:45, which would be 1 hour. 12:45, 1:45. So I'm at 2 hours, and from 1:45 to 2:15 is 30 minutes. 2 hours, 30 minutes. 8:50, so I'm going to go 9:50 to 3 a.m. So 9:50, 10:50, 11:50, 12:50, 1:50, 2:50. Then from 2:50 it takes 10 minutes to get to 3, and third that'd be 40 minutes. How many hours did I have? 6 hours, 40 minutes. Usually I just count them out. I think there we go. To me that's easier. Okay, number 9. Bus schedules. Your bus leaves Greenwood Station at 9:23 a.m. and arrives at 10:08 a.m. How long is the bus ride? So 23, I'd go like this: 33, 43, 53, 63, 63. That'd be 10:03. 10, 20, 30. That's 40 minutes. Let me write this out. Let me find my pencil. 9:23. I'd go 9:33. 9:43, 9:53, or let's do it this way. 9:23 to 9:30 is 7 minutes. 9:30 to 10 o'clock is 30 minutes. And 10 o'clock to 10:08 is 8 minutes. 38, 45 minutes. And that's what I did, is I broke it. Same idea, kind of. So example number 4, on last one, I believe, for this one, on Wednesday, Sam spent 28 minutes on math, 33 on language arts, 50 on chemistry. How much time did Sam spend in all? So 28 plus 33 plus 50. 100. 8, 9, 10, 11, 111 minutes. Now, we need to convert that over. It takes 60 minutes, so let's subtract out an hour. So 1 hour, what did I do? 60 minutes, there's 51 left. Did I add wrong? About, I get it. About is an estimate. So I'm getting about 1 hour and 51 minutes. So C, about an hour 50. Okay, I forgot that about. Sometimes that'll get ya. All right. Last one. Oh, they gave me the answer. The last guided practice is Karen got out of bed at 6:55, arrived home at 3:10. How many hours passed or elapsed from the time she rose until she arrived home? So 6:50 is about 7 o'clock, 3 p.m., 3:10 is about 3, so from 7 to 3, so 7 to 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7 to 12 is 5 hours, and 12 to 3 is 3 hours. So she spent about 8 hours away. So you can count them on your, I usually just count them on my fingers, subtract if you need to, but I just count out the time and simplify when you can. There's that answer. Okay, that's it. We'll see you next time.